Manever I say ma PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV there, I see them yopo.
Representative of the President of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akuffo Addo, our very distinguished speaker for the day, Mr. Chacho. Our distinguished Chief Imam, Dr. Sheikh Usman Nuhu Sabutu. Nananum Nime Name. The Advisory Council and Board of the JEA Heritage, Your Excellencies of the diplomatic community, Honourable Members of Parliament, current and former government appointees, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. 10 years ago, on the 24th of July 2012, we lost a true gem, a national icon. President John Evans Atta Mills, our sitting president, passed on. It was a Black Tuesday for Ghana, and that day we wish to erase from our memories. 10 years after his demise, we are gathered here as one nation. Chiefs, queen mothers, academics, sportsmen and women, politicians, the clergy, market women, and persons of all walks of life, to reflect on his life, to remember his values, to interrogate the truth, and immortalize his memory. As chair of the Advisory Council of the JEA Mills Memorial Heritage, I warmly welcome each and every one of you to the 10th John Evans Atta Mills commemorative lecture themed "The Man, John Evans Atta Mills, 10 years on." We are here, representatives of our two former presidents, His Excellency John Akuffo and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The family of John Evans Atta Mills, led by Osabening Dr. Kadman Mills. Representatives of the government of Ghana, Diplomatic Corps, Nananum, Nime, Name, and the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, led by Ne Professor Odaifo Welechi, Paramount Chief of the Nungwa Traditional Area and Vice President of the Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs, our traditional spiritual leaders, our Olome. You are all very much welcome. The judiciary is ably represented. Our honorable members of parliament, the academia, political parties, labor unions, professional groups, old Ashimutans, University of Ghana, the sports fraternity, student leaders, and of course the Advisory Council, the board and members of the heritage. Welcome you all to this national gathering to celebrate and remember one of our very own, a true, loyal, patriotic son who died in service, a visionary, a martyr, an incorruptible tower of strength and resilience. A man of integrity, truth, and honesty, with a strong Christian faith. As stated by Nana JEA, the fourth chief of Esikado, who was chairman at the launch of the Memorial Heritage, the era of President John Mills as President of Ghana was an era of inclusiveness. An era when we had a man of character as president. And a man of morality and sincerity. And to whom Ghana mattered. And because of that, he cut across many political divisions. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, 10 years on, the common thread that runs through all the tributes in memory of President Mills is his unique style of leadership. As a lecturer, in public service as a commissioner of the IRS, as vice president, and as president of the Republic of Ghana. For over 5 decades of public service to Ghana, President Mills remained true to himself, his values, and principles. He remained humble, modest, focused, and committed to one singular objective: service with integrity to Ghana above self. President Mills abhorred corruption. He was very honest and would never waver a hair's breadth from the path of strictest honesty. He was blind to try and sought to unite all of us as Ghanaians. To him, altruism is the best form of egoism, or selflessness is the best form of selfishness. That was why he boldly initiated the constitutional review, which invariably would have led to a shrinking of his own powers as president. Now, more than ever, Nache, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Ghana is once again at the crossroads of nationhood and nation building. Ghana is polarized, state institutions need strengthening, and the economic benefits of our state resources need to be shared more equitably among all citizens, irrespective of social status. As Dr. Esther Ofe, Vice Chair of the Advisory Council, put it rhetorically, what would President Evans John Mills have made of this? What would President Mills have thought about this? What would President Mills have said? And to add, how would President Evans Mills address our current situation as a state? Would it be the geophyism approach or something else? 10 years on, we are here to seek answers for the way forward in our nation building. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the biggest tribute we can pay to this fine gentleman is to promote his values of hard work, humility, empathy, and honesty. He taught us the values we must uphold strictly if we are to succeed in private and public life. In closing, I want to ask all Ghanaians to help shape the leadership of our country. Let us not be apathetic bystanders. And in this regard, I want to remind all of us about the words of Plato. The price good men pay for indifference in public affairs is to be ruled by evil men. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're all very welcome again. Mia welcome.
Whenever I say my PENDREAM TV, PENDREAM TV there, I see them yopo.